All right, welcome to another episode of Bill on Bikes. We're inside my facility, the motorcycle garage in Phoenix. We're getting ready to start 1995 Road King. It's going to be a 40,000 mile service, but just before we get going, I like to warm these up, which I already did. It doesn't want to idle, so I know the low speed jet's probably clogged. We're going to go and clean out the carburetor. The accelerator pump wasn't working correctly. Also noticed some other things. Air cleaner's rattling. Most likely the brass insert that they put in the plastic is rotating. Both brackets for the saddlebag brackets in the back, they're broken. Also noticed a crack up here. Loose handlebar bushings, we're going to change those. And I want to point something out with the front end. It doesn't seem to have any spring pressure. So most likely we have a couple broken springs or something's going on in the front. Most likely a broken spring, unless somebody took the springs out, which I don't think they would do. I'm going to have to take the front end apart. We'll see what's going on there. It's getting a full service. Oil change, primary chain will get adjusted. Rear belt will be adjusted. We'll repack the front and rear wheel bearings. It's going to get a complete brake fluid flush. All the critical fasteners will get checked and replaced if necessary. Stabilizer links will get checked and replaced if necessary. Clutch adjustment inside the derby cover and at the cable. So we'll check the brakes and tires, air pressure. We'll check tread depth. So we'll get it done and we'll video the whole process. Just showing you how the front end is completely bottomed out. Completely bottomed. The air cleaner loose. The cracks in the head pipe. And the broken exhaust and saddlebag mounts. You can see they're completely broken. Same with this side. And the handlebar bushings, so we'll have to replace those. I have to jack this up because it's very difficult to work on. Wow. Now we can get under there. Always like to save the old parts for the customers. They know what they're paying for. And that was loose. This bike has a lowered front end, and a rear end, so it's difficult to get these pans under. That oil's pretty good, though. That's not bad. I always mark these inspection covers because they tend to warp. I'll save myself a problem. Yeah, you can tell these were leaking. I'm going to replace the intake seals because it looks like we have some leaks in here. Probably been on here for a long time. I'm sure they've been changed maybe once because I can see the rockers have been rebuilt because they have the updated Harley rocker box gaskets, but we'll change out those intake seals. All right, as you can see, this is loose, and this just spins. What happens is the insert in the plastic is just spinning, either from probably being over torqued over the years, maybe just worn out. So to getting this out, screw, get it nice and hot, and that will help melt the plastic backing plate. Let's check it out. That should be good enough. Let's see. Yep, it's pulling right out. I can feel it. And we're going to be putting a whole different air cleaner on here. Put this here so if this drops, I won't damage the cam cover. Yeah, and there you have it. Get the cover off and the cover. And I'll show you, you'll see the insert, I don't know if you can see that, is remained on the bolt. You can see how it came out of the plastic here. So that's pretty common. This is all getting replaced. We're also going to cold tank the carb. It's all clogged up. We're getting there.